Stop WEBP. Save images as JPG/PNG on Google Chrome. Hi everyone, today, I'll show you in less than 2 minutes a free Chrome extension that adds a simple button that lets you save any image as JPG or PNG with a single click. Let's get it installed. So first, open the Chrome Web Store and search for the Save Image as Type extension. Once you find it, click Add to Chrome and wait for it to install. After the installation is complete, let's test it on an image. Here we have an image, and if we try to save it, normally right-click and choose Save Image As, you'll notice that it saves only as a WEBP file. But now we already have the solution. Instead of using Save Image As, right-click and select Save Image as Type. Then simply choose JPG or PNG. Here, I'll pick JPG. And that's it, quick and easy, with no need for converting anything.